Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the August deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I do apologize. I know you guys been telling me leave the audio because we want to hear what, the natural environment of these stores. But you know what? YouTube, if you get some like more than 5 seconds of music, then pretty much your videos get demonetized or shut down or whatever. So that's one thing we can't do with the copyright music, and that's the whole reason why I make these videos just voiceovers only instead of making them live or making them because I'm a small channel and they will shut me down. Anyways, just thought I'd let you guys know what's going on with that. Let's go ahead and get started. So we got a toolbox here, $10.48. So that's basically the price for the top and bottom. Really nice box here. I really like the black with the red handles. You got a nice surface area right there to work. And then you got a bottom drawer, a deep drawer there for the power tools, and then you got a power strip in there so you can just put, charge your power tools basically. And that's $8.97. That's pretty much the other color that they have. I'm not really into this color. This is not one of my favorite colors. Still a nice box, don't get me wrong, but I like the black with red stripes. That's $7.98 for that box. Then $6.98 for this one. Yeah, pretty much they vary in sizes, and like this one's a $7.48. And then this is the power tool adapter, so you can put it on the side of the box there, and you can put your drills and impact drivers like that. There's the paper towel holder there. And every store varies. Most of the time, every store that has something different. There's the liner right there, $20, basically $19.98 for the liner for the toolboxes, and then that's $54.98 with the wheels. So you got, and then $149 for that kit. It's a 150 piece. And they had this one, the small socket set for $19.98. So they had more up here. And then they had this big one for 282 piece for $229. $9.98 for the screwdriver with bits. And then they had this on sale. If you guys are interested in some of these, check out your nearest Lowe's. They do have some on clearance. This one's a 7-piece. I heard other having the black chrome or the other color that Craftsman has. And then they had this one on sale too. That's for $2. That's the bigger one. It's from 3 to 3 1/4. And that's the smaller one. I guess everybody uses the smaller one since all the vehicles got smaller, But yeah, this big one, pretty much they had it on sale for $2. I was going to get it, but you know what? I'm not going to need it, so why even get it? So $179 for this 4-piece. $89 for this brushless drill driver. And that's the 4-piece that we were looking at. And that's the impact driver for $89. So this is definitely great deals. You guys could check out if you guys are looking forward to get into a big line of DIY tools, and maybe prosumer level tools. Craftsman's pretty much, they got some brushless and regular. And if you guys haven't watched, big shout out to Jeff. He does have a big YouTube channel, and he did point it out that this table saw was $349 with the stand. So that is a killer deal. So shout out to Jeff Ostrov. $349 on this Metabo HPT table saw. Really good deal there. As you guys could see the comparison to the DeWalt on the other side. Very similar. They do have the same type of fence and measuring tools there. $169, then $89. So they got different, pretty much the same on the other side of the Craftsman, but they just had an end cap there. $99 for the Kobalt impact driver or drill driver, and then they had this buy one get one free. So you buy a 24-volt max 7 1/4 brushless cordless dual bevel compound miter saw, and you get a 6 amp hour battery for free. So that's pretty much the miter saw you have to buy for $269, and then you get a 6 amp hour battery for free. Sorry, I thought I was on frame, but I was focusing the camera down towards the price instead of the tool. And then you have the cooler there. It's a Craftsman cooler. Then they have this hole saws, $14.98. Both of them were on sale, so really nice, good deals there. And the DeWalt did have buy one get one free too. So you got the 1/4 brushless bare tool. You have to buy the bare tool by itself, and you get guess you get a 3 amp hour and a charger, I guess, for free. So that's the deal on that. And later on in the video, we are gonna have the XR 5 amp hour battery for free, and I'll show you guys that at the end. $349 for that kit. And then they have the impact drivers for $99, brushless. Then again, most of the prices, if you guys start noticing a pattern, most of the tools are starting to get to the $99 price. Brushless impact drivers and brushless drill drivers. These are the top of the line DeWalt, so they're going to be a little bit more expensive. They do include 2 batteries, so they're going to be the nicer, the nicer kits there. $22.98. And then that's the Extreme. So this is the 12 volts, really nice compact design. Definitely recommend it for the DIY. And then you do have a buy one get one free. You get to buy the 2-tool combo kit, 12 volt Extreme. And then you get that saw for free, basically, or the hand saw. That's the one you get for free there. And they unfortunately did not have any of those kits with the brushless drill driver and impact driver. $7.98 for the box cutters there, and then $8.98 for those blades. That's a 14-piece, $60.98. Another 14-piece, 18-piece, $7.98. You got a 52-piece there for $19.98. And you got 2 different ones there. That one's $22, by the way. Got some more blades. $11.98 and $19.98. 30-piece and a 21-piece. $13.98 for the 14-piece. Then $16 for the 45. $19.98 for that Bosch 40-piece. Not that one, the one on the bottom. That's $19.98. And $9.98 for the smaller one. So $9.98 for that for the reciprocating saw. And then $14.98 for those jigsaw blades. So you got some Kobalt here. No sales, no deals on this. This is fairly new, so this is mostly what happens. I'm pretty sure they'll have some deals, by Christmas time or something, on these XTRs. Really nice line compared to the professional level like DeWalt and other brands just similar to that. $99 for the inflator. And yeah, this is the deal that they had. So you buy any of these tools and you get a 5 amp hour battery for free. That's a really good deal, a really good value on these. Personally, I would get the impact drive or the impact wrench for $199. Or if you need a reciprocating saw or angle grinder there, really nice tool. These are pretty much top of the line of DeWalt. So, and you get pretty much getting $100 as a battery for free. And then we're checking out the clearance section here. Like I said, no power tools here in the clearance section. Just some light fixtures and stuff like that. So then they had this one for $349, the Craftsman. $497 on sale, the 80 volt max. Then $414 bare tool. $339 for that Greenworks. It does come with the 4 amp hour battery. So they are rolling this out because pretty much they are bringing the new model in. So same thing with this 155. It does include a battery and a charger. So you're starting to see a pattern here. They're starting to roll out all the older tools. This one's $84. Well, not this one, but they had another Craftsman for $84. Anyways, just a short video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. And don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can help us buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.